The main products of Tianrun rubber and plastic include shock absorption, dust cover, piercing pipe hose, silicone tube, household appliances, door lock seal, automotive rubber parts, high and low voltage electrical appliances, electronic communications, instrumentation, semiconductor industry, medical apparatus, petrochemical pipes, and rubber seals. Welcome to our rubber laboratory. Design drawings one by one. Limit experiment after experiment. Test data one by one. Work here. It is a check for various rubber products. Make sure they are strong, durable, and safe enough. In the development, production, and quality control of rubber products, we rely on high-precision equipment, standardized processes, and long-term stability testing to ensure the reliability and consistency of the performance of rubber products. Every fine measurement, every trial and error, ozone aging, ultraviolet light, blasting test bench. The birth of a product should be subject to the strictest scrutiny. When rubber is given a mission, in the eyes of these guardians, will determine the quality of the product. We are Hubei, Tianrun, Rubber and Plastic Products, Co. Limited. Every inch of land carries our commitment to the future of rubber and plastics. Seiko shaping, intelligent manufacturing, empowered, green-based, driving the industry forward. The rigor of bowing down from management, respect for technology, and respect for people. Together build the quality Great Wall of Tianrun rubber and plastic. Engineers focus on debugging parameters. We know, behind the excellent products is a more outstanding manufacturing philosophy, under the precise push of molten raw materials and screws. The core guarantee of achieving high volume, consistent, and excellent quality. The molding machine is precisely coordinated under high pressure and high temperature. Raw materials are endowed with precise morphology and exceptional intrinsic density. Every clamping is a solemn commitment to the dimensional stability and structural strength of the product. Lay the foundation for key components. Tianrun rubber covers more than 80,000 square meters. Construction area, 60,000 square meters. The company won the Hubei Province Quality and Integrity AAA brand enterprise. The company has achieved a number of research and development achievements on the basis of improve the quality assurance system and sales service system, and passed ISO 9001, IATF 16949 quality system certification. We adhere to the quality fortress. Incoming inspection from raw materials. Online process monitoring. Finished product is 100% critical item tested. Limit verification of tensile force, pulse, blasting, aging, etc. Unqualified products will never leave the factory. The source of all shapes. Mold. We provide regular maintenance because of the accuracy of the mold. Directly determine whether the product fits tightly. Enter the mixing workshop. Here is the first step in the birth of rubber and plastic products, and it is also one of the most crucial basic links. The operator strictly follows the formula requirements. The weighed raw materials are fed into the mixing chamber of the mixer by means of a conveyor belt. Mixing determines the core performance basis of rubber and plastic materials. Modern mixers have large capacity and high efficiency, can quickly complete the initial mixing task of large quantities of raw materials. For subsequent molding, injection, extrusion, and other processes, provide adequate and consistent work in progress. Here is an indispensable link for stable quality and efficient production of rubber and plastics, carrying our commitment to strict control of raw materials, and adhere to safe production and green production. The storage area is no longer the warehouse full of goods in the traditional impression. Three-dimensional shelf storage, systematic management, automation equipment. The entire process is smoother and more responsive. This is our glorious cooperation territory. Every successful cooperation is promoting the extension of rubber and plastics technology to a wider application field.